Starting things off, we have this weird wonder. Here, this girl accidentally or intentionally rolled his car to the side, and now she is trying to get back on all fours. I hope she may be successful. Most BMW owners say a lot of bad words to the Mustang owners, but here is the reality of that. So what do you all have to say about this? Have you ever been pulled over by a cop? Here is a perfect video showing you that. Here is a very lovely car girl to make your day. Yo boy! Here is a video of a guy testing his spidey senses in front of an actual car. Ever done drifting with hitting the curb? Well, then you can understand this guy. Here is a Jeep doing a stoppie in a desert. Looks cool. This is how supercar owners feel when we see their car. Here is how we wash a supercar versus the daily one. We have a road face-off here. At first, this Corvette comes speedily in the ground, and then comes a Dodge Mopar racing against the Dodge Hellcat. Here are two guys in a crazy air. When a girl tells me she is starting to get into cars, I love to hear it. Here is a GDM popcorn maker making some noise. Real footage of me when having to deal with wires when working on my car. Lamborghini Gallardo taking a loud start. Have you seen the Disney movie Cars? Here's that Big Mac truck, but it's smoking a lot. Which would you pick? The R35 or the MK5 Supra? When you go on a night cruise to clear your mind, road therapy feels like a nugget. Here is a very real footage of a Nissan car going at full speed. Who says SUVs can't burn out? Wrong, boys. This car is a true delight to the eyes. When she is down to install car parts with me, who else feels like this? The cop who can't see me, me with my illegal tint, again, the cop who can't see me. This is a sign for you to get a muffler delete. When everyone's car is running, so now you can go on drives. The cop who can't see me, me with my illegal tint, again, the cop who can't see me. Tell me why I watched this 5 times. This trend never gets old. I wonder how much extra horsepower these rows gave to it. Let's do this. You can be the one tied to the car. Just a little different. This clip is from R2R Miami 2021. This GDM is on another level. Floor it, baby. This is how you can make your Hot Wheels BMW real. I am loving the tune, by the way. Here is something a little bit spicy. That was luck. Those things are crowd magnets. I lost $20 from this video. The difference is the 20 will come out, but that socket is lost forever. Straight out of GTA, the look you give her when you hit it from the back. Bad boys pulling up to the car meets be like, but unfortunately, I can't relate. Vintage vibes are all over in this one. This is Straw 40, by the way, for those of you who are wondering. This is how you can pump diesel, but why is she pumping it? That was the smoothest burnout I've ever seen, Ferrari edition. If you're a Mustang driver, I will recommend you not to stay near a Trackhawk. It's the S2000 for me that keeps my heart running. Is the Ferrari F40 the greatest supercar of all time? Have you ever driven on California roads in winters? Well, that is there how you can drive. Make sure to use brakes. I don't know about girls, but the boys got your back, homie, at least for now. If you pick the G over the RS7, you have to go see a doctor. Throwback to my first time driving a Ford ST. If you look close, you can see the Z in the back. Would you go off-roading in an Urus? If I had the money for one, definitely. Damn those carbon ceramics, squealing. Burnflo's GTR S. Which one would you choose? Let's have some fun when you come by, homie. Better with the squad. This is the perfect video female drivers be like. How me and my homies drive when we cruise, like some rich ass Power Rangers. Dream wedding right there with a GDN. That dude almost crossed too early. Oh my god. I think that one dude was more worried about not having his face mask on. Hey dude, is this you with Hot Mom? Here is how it feels like when you drive with rich friends. Even stopping in traffic looks good. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you liked this video, here are 2 videos that you will love. Thanks and have a great day.